YouTube, so I wouldn't. This is a fan we got at Walmart for how much, Mom?
23 plus tax.
25 bucks. And it is in my uncle's building. It's plugged in at my house because we live right next to each other. You can see there's my building and stuff there. And I have it mounted on this beam, which I put up myself. Mounted with 2 nails onto the rafters. One nail there, another one down there. I think it holds really well. It moves, but it's holding really well. The fan is nailed to the thing with about 10, 15 nails. Everywhere I could put a nail, I put a nail.
Sweetie, I'm gonna feed Mom.
It has, alright, it has the wood side facing down because I thought it works better with the shed. And we'll turn it on low. Mom, I'm showing you the speeds.
I told you I was gonna feed the kitty.
Alright, then come back. Alright, yeah, come back when the video's done. This is low. It's a really good fan. It moves a whole lot of air. You can see there's the top. Let's turn it up to medium. I'm on this. See, if I were, I might actually cut this beam. Get it cut like right here and move it up. So the fan be a little higher. And that's off. Thanks for watching.